What's that noise, Juliano?
It sounds like ice cream.
Sounds like ice cream. Are you gonna get some?
Yeah,
Why do you look so beautiful today?
because I have my belt.
Oh, it's a hot belt.
Hey, can I
Look at that plane over there.
Can I play the beer game?
What?
The beer game.
You wanna drink some beer?
Yeah.
Dance for me first. Go back, because I can't see you. And dance really good, then I'll let you play the game. Go, 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 go. Sing a song now. Sing me.
Let the dog out.
Go.
Roof, roof. Ooh, let the dog out. Roof, roof.
Sing me and Mrs. Jones.
Me and Mrs. Jones. Got a thing.
You're gonna get bugs in your hair.
Why?
Where are we going today?
We're going to the park.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay.
Are we going to the park?
Yes, we're going to the park. Want me to take you to the park?
Yeah.
Well, you need shoes if you want to go to the park.
Hey, but now we're going to play beer game.
Yes.
I put it on.
First, you gotta go back there and sing me Mrs. Jones. Real loud, because I can't hear you. Go.
Me and Mrs. Jones.
Go ahead.
We got a thing going on.
What else is he saying?
He got a thing going on. Donna. Wrong. He got so much wrong. Now. It was a first song. Me and Mrs. Jones.
Woo! Good job!